Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
To replace the car stereo receiver, you must first turn your engine off. Get your hands on the needles that will let you remove the original radio. Insert them on both sides of the radio in the holes provided for this until they lock into place correctly. Pull on both sides of the needles at the same time to remove the receiver. To begin with, remove the antenna cable. Remove the black and white connectors by pushing on the plastic tab. If necessary, use a screwdriver, then pull on each one of them simultaneously. Put the rack provided with the new receiver in place, slipping the wires inside beforehand. Once the rack has been properly placed into its compartment, lock it in place with a flathead screwdriver and by pushing down all the metal tabs. It is important to push all of them down so that the rack is perfectly fixed in place. Reconnect both power connectors to the receiver. Insert the antenna adapter into the original antenna cable. Then connect everything to the receiver. Slide the receiver into position, but don't align it fully in place just yet. Turn on the ignition to check that the receiver is working correctly before fully fixing it in place. Operation completed.